Abusia say so tap on trene aya na ojewo and obi enumaduru emayalefo finally kokuakuafo na nkasa be kan omunsem na omo has started demonstration against the NDC government led by Mahama. Omo say Mahama abetwatro wadi tro kese akire omo ama omo threat Mahama with demonstration na mema nkire mu no akire wadwen ama me e comment section aha yi Penyah block media message say any dey mo obe like video no other mo subscribe button somebody click the notification latest update abekire wadwen da ama me e comment section so baso a no F00L anya bi ahwe ye say kwatere kwase obaba wontuma ya no atie ne din kakra eni pay ya wo hye oboso beto cocoa bag 65 million obi say wo penso na wo to ne say wo penso na 475 Ghana cedis, that is 4,075,000 cedis. Obi beji free 400 edi go do 3,100 na wasa abasema beto ne 60 million na kokuakuafo ato omotremu e ma na omani age ko ne yesi e ba ye bitu ebula ewo kokuafuo bi mama na lay pipe amam ya lay pipe amam na mo da water mumfuo ezaka se e ba ye be mama mo manyina scholarship ye ba mo free healthcare mo ya le be mo free chese ye promise akuafo na nkasa a promise na ewo ani ewo mu bi na boshen emu edepa but I will say ba you know what you see is not what you get ya twen akuafo na di amen no I said to crack asa onu so we kuani akuafo mu nya abotre ye nyina ye akuafo me so mu asase the born bed affect me so maka honya mo nkwa na affect mo I affect nyina ama you know just say this body can say omu put blame no bi say na MPP before na blame wo mu ana ho anwan ana ye world market ana the world market so a na Ato Forson mu nimu say because 2014 Cocoa board of directors na Ato Forson e ka ho bi 2014 eta onimu say world market it mean influence the price in your country but promise one fa kwan bi anto say akuafo bibi betimi asi e world market ama even kwan ebo amuhu ni 31 million no so betimi ate akofoma trasa wanka ho the be favor the government ye beto 65 million eno nkwa na oka entine ma ho mefa ana world market obi penso 2022 a Russia attack Ukraine wiase economy nyina tete pansamoye fuel at world market per barrel e go through $140 a Ghana ha November mu as of 1st November now petrol price per liter that is the highest recorded in Ghana here now enenam 17.89 equal 18 and that se mo ya reference muku so ka se ebrebi ba na eto fuel 18 cedis by na 10 cedis more that time na crisis e wo ho e affecting we ase gina no e no so na mo gina e da ye MPP standard cocoa swate de mo hunu nyansa e blame say world market e swate but MPP time sabe mo hunu nyansa say Russia Ukraine war I affecting world economy am even no petrol price per barrel on world market akosoro it e normal say yes you dey e be kosoro opposition mo hu da nyansa no ba mo ba ye de mo hu nyansa say sabe cocoa price at world market is what entiante so e na akuafo say there be NDC government e di omutunu mu omo twa tropa da twa ba gitu minti no abuso mo ni abre ama omo ye kire e de kire NDC aban na weni nsem a omo eka
ano de beto ya nim se aban ano oti edwa so sabre efie atwam no mu no woyɛ sisifo osisi Ghana kuafo onpa ye yedie ensem obeka no ato yasum ama kuafo ye wo Assin North yagitum ama yato ababum ade ma NDC den na asie asese aban ne bati cocoa bo so ade aba sidin pem aduonunum yate ase a enyeye esanse saabo na ode aba nti yentimi hwa ye ma yentimi hwa ye yere no na kansa sebo ati sampo beba sika na onanso se wode ebra ye na besi na emai ya kare cocoa November abesi sabre yansanka sika aban na nanso anso sika ma enti yehu se aban na otese no se cocoa no na nyi ho a ama yehu ama yati ase se cocoa no anya bi kura no aban otese no nka so ma ye 7,000 sansem yi ye kuafo a wa Assin North de ama no nti yade bu ma gitrada abeto abade ma NDC adan na asie yasra no cocoa ni bo no de aba no anya ya bodwe anu nti ama sese ye ma wo school nyina ye pamon efize ye nya sika ma on fanta duane ni cocoa ni bo no brebi akwadu ye no apafo ale fa won no okodo ahoma ba ko a ni age sidi ahanum enne cocoa no ya tesui still sidi ahanum na no mda ho de akuafo yanya da ne mo yebra sese enura ye de kokoo ho adwuma ebi ma aban ne nso yasen fertilizer nim bibia nim enti bo no de aba no Assin North akuafo ye tumu enye ye enti yasra no abo no onfa bi meka ho sa onfa bi nka ho so de ne de na ode to so no ano no onyi mfiri so no onfa na do de na amaye ne hu sensisie na do sensisie no ano ana eba ho
Emeka cha ban ne say koko na wate so no me mam yenu kwa SS ebi ko nursing training minya sika mfa nhwe wo mo enti sabe mplebi asam pedifo na bu wo mo bese se mi ko twa mi chatua ne manya ntwa anwansa mfa mi fie to so wate koko so ane dia 5 million na ode to so no wante ne mo akufo de dia 31 million na wo so wo bu ye nka so mo 7000 onto wono ne dia ni fisu no akufo de dia ne maye so anya ne sa dia ye Assin North for dia ye ne adwen nya dwuma nna nya kina ye mi ntimi hwa mi mo sisi am gira ekwa na mi mami ye nu afla me a mo pesika wo school mi nya bi ebise kokko no so mi wo bi si dem what so ntimi nkoton
ti yai kokko ne ye edwama so wa kye mo mienu ena aban afa ena o maye baako na de oba ya wo se me de ya tesu nti me bete so ya pre na prechira
kali kokko asi wo okwa akrate no ha wase ne otena ene wotena ei afa de okwote so class ka no kra nso nye dai emma ena wo wanya bi ye dai enti esra ba se kokko na wate so ne de wono de ne ye pe ebo dada na o de ebo dada na kufu atoto no no onfa ya de nye dai emma ye no ono de wonye dai wonfa
Penyah Mahama ne wa ye akuafo ni na wo mi bi sa wo nsan so ahwoda wo ma de e fe ne wo bati kokko so na wo bu akuafo kwasia wo wie ne ye se won fe bo 31 million na maye kufu ado de na maye ne a
ebo na wo de ba ye na wono wo se wate so no ye ne Assin North for ye mpre ne kira
mi okuani a mi to kokko nso eka ho mi hu se aban wasisi yen wabuya kwasia ne praku ni mpre no so ebi se wa ma Penyah Mahama wo ba wo ka kire se wo ba makuafo ba wo ba makuafo di ye afere wa ba makuafo wi aho ada o ma Penyah tu ati kokko so mi manidi mi sui mi na ko secondary nursing training ya bi school mi nya sika ma ne go school baton kokko buso baby anuni mi nya sika akuafo ni yesi ye kwankwa Abraham ato minya sika ntia wonka ade achi ase yetibi so ni manya pressure because bia kokko check ya me pressure ko so ada ye fi kokko ayate so minya sika etia wonka akuafo da ameka eti kokko ti so wate so de de wa ha ye de Assin North de ye de ye prechina
na ye ntimi hwe ma school fees so hwade ne o ka so de ma school fu akwafi ni ontimi fe ma nkwala ne kwa mo de wo mo ye ntu enye sika ma ne nkwala no o ma sa abefie ntu o ha de o de bi abefie de fi se ene ko enye sika mfa paafo abo o mo gina na o mo so nte so
o ma Penyah Mahama ne wa ye akuafo ni na wo mi bi sa wo nsan so ahwoda wo ma de e fe ne wo bati kokko so na wo bu akuafo kwasia fi enya bisin o ukuro mo na bia bisin a bia kokko wo wie ne ye se won fi bo 31 million na maye kufu ado je na maye ne a what if flat ahwa na nyankopon ene na kasa
mi okuani a mi to kokko nso eka ho mi hu se aban wasisi yen wabuya kwasia ne praku ni mpre no so ebi se wa ma Penyah Mahama wo ba wo ka kire se wo ba makuafo ba wo ba makuafo di ye afere wa ba makuafo wi aho ada o ma Penyah tu ati kokko so mi manidi mi sui mi na ko secondary nursing training ya bi school mi nya ska ma ne go school yes, come and go now, before I may wa. And come and TV Makola go school and go academ. And then, no, my Penyah was over me at the year. Nothing about me, you know, what about me at the young? But Uncle Buson baby and Nini, Minesika. And 40 years, you won't go Abraham ato, Minesika, dear Wonka. I didn't chance here to be swinging. My pressure. Because Bianco check here, the pressure cost. ada every cocoa yateso. Minyasika etua wonka. Ekuya for da meka. Eti cocoa tiso what is one there. Wahaya yadi Assin North there. Yadi yam print and preach na. If say what tia kuma. Wahaya what it here. Etua my bende. Ya talk.
Video niano cocoa niano. Ome fan cocoa na konyana. Wahu. Esiano one say one who talks I new price no. What to be cocoa musumi miensa. Musumi mienu. I didn't want you all price no. Now who because I musumi and say musumi no new price now they about 25 million. Utia. Okay say and to confirm no. I confirm one fan come more butua. Ah, now who because cocoa and to the new price. Ah. I know they are honorable. I know they are honorable.
Mi je cocoa adwuma. Na cocoa adwuma no, mintimi hu se ne mpanimfo no. Omunnim cocoa ho adwuma ya. Enne me kakra me mesua no. Me ka ne ne, ama na hu se cocoa na ye no. Ansa na bag ba ko be free ha, abedu nkran no. Na nya sanketo akra. Cocoa dua na si ho no. Ya gusu aye bibia wie no. Ya tin 1111. Ne sambo pa asesa no 1111. Ne ya sambo pa e de kogu aboye. Ye wi ya sambo no 1111. Ne ya bo wie no kura na ya wie no. Ge ye ne se e ko 36 million. Akronfo ya Ghana hama. Me maburu kokoo no wafuom ho no. Na masan ya jame dan ato ho. Na me da kokoo na maburu no. Me da kokoo na ya buru no. Sanse be beda me dan mu a me kona akronfo atu kokoo ne ko. Na de ya kra na se san ha me no. Mabre we nyina wie no. Makotu kokoo ni frefom abegu apaso no. Masan da kokoo apa ne ho. Sanse me koda me dan mu a kokoo ne gu apa ne so no akronfo be sesa. Na masan da pa ne ho 6 days. Akosisema kokoo ni be wo. Na kokoo ni wo. Na se me sesa bag na me de kwa. No ka chem so ama me 25. Ese say 25 se say. Na pa no kra no me sese e pa sika no a mabo na tie wanwan na meti ye no ne sesa me de kwa aboye o mu kra matwa kra aboye no kra na me bebo kokoo no se me ka se aduane a me no aye ani me no se mato ani abobo ya me han ye e de kwa afuom ho no me sese wo ka kira wa na 25 na maboka me de pen to bag no ho a na me sese na maboka etimi se John Mahama se sa kayina na me ka no se me beda kokoo ho wonwuram 6 days aburu kokoo me beda kokoo apase 6 days amma mani nyina wore dia me san se on fa nyina ba bia gina no a on ma wante so nya se so wote so a anukura nyina mianim ye se ye nipa afo bia o ye nya ne ye kokoo no ye beja kokoo ye.
There was an explicit promise to the cocoa farmer that we will give you the 6,000 to 7,000 per bag when you vote for us. And as side attraction, as an appetizer, and sweet after meals, we will give your children free education. Explicitly said. We will give you and your dependents free health care. When they were making those promises, they didn't think of tomorrow. And that's what you are saying. Really? Go to my village. The farmers who had their cocoa stored because the government was so insensitive to even pay them the peanuts they gave them. And they had to go and borrow money from individuals and institutions at the prevailing price then. Today, with the new price, they can't even make the principal to even go and offset their debt. That is the star state of the cocoa farmer today. We do politics with everything. And today we are giving reasons. MPP left debt. When MPP took over in 2017, there was $4.1 billion plus debt left at Cocoa Board. In fact, there's an interview between then CEO and Obi on Asempa Ekosisen, and you can look for it on YouTube. The cocoa season 2016-2017, which started from October, the syndicated loan the NDC took then, $1.2 billion. By the time the MPP came on 7 January 2017, all the $1.2 billion had gone. The MPP was faced with such reality. But the MPP found a way to still get money and pay cocoa farmers. During COVID, there was an overload of cocoa beans on the world market. It dropped the price. But the MPP made sure that as a father, we cushion our farmers. There was no price cuts for cocoa farmers, despite dwindling cocoa price on the world market. And that is what a father has to do. But today, all sorts of algorithms, all sorts of excuses. The MPP left debt, and the world market price has reduced. If MPP left a debt, and you were in distress, how could Cocoa Board promise to sponsor our local league if you knew there was a mess? How did Cocoa Board get the confidence to promise Ghanaians that we would take people to go and watch the World Cup if you knew there was a mess? Cocoa Board made $1.8 billion first 4 months of last year due to the good measures the MPP put in place. So when they inherited the system, they were able to buy cocoa seamlessly and made a profit. It's in the budget statement.
Yeah.
And if you go to the Ghana International Bank in UK, MPP left Cocoa Board $500 million. So right from the debt. Okay. You inherit assets and liability. The asset you inherited is what made you make that profit of $1.8 billion. The asset you inherited is the $500 million in the Ghana International Bank in UK. So which debt? When you were making the promise to sponsor our league, we were in a mess and you were still making the promise. We were in the mess and you were still promising to take people to go and watch the World Cup. And today, with only 74 cocoa districts we have in Ghana, Cocoa Board has procured 110 luxurious pickups. That's an institution that's debt-stricken. 110 luxurious pickups. Aside that, a 10 luxurious V8. Understand the fridge in those V8 can actually become a coaster.
Doc, where's your evidence?
Oh, the Cocoa Board cars.
And you want to engage this mundane statement?
The Cocoa Board cars. Oh, Mr. Jantua.
Where's your evidence?
Mr. Jantua.
No, I just want to know where
Oh,
your evidence
please.
is.
I mean, don't engage this mundane.
So, in the distress of Cocoa Board, they were able to import 110 luxurious pickups. They were able to import 10 luxurious V8s with a fridge that can even serve as a coaster. But when it came to the farmers, they are telling them what? We can't pay you the 7,000 we promised you. We can't give you the free healthcare we promised you. We can't give you the free education for your wards we promised you. And even with what we came to meet, the 3,100, oh, let's do some optics, NDC and the optics. Let's do some optics and raise it to 3,600. And the moment it was announced, there was a complete freeze. Not even a peswa was paid to the farmer for their wards, for their monies, for their sweat to be reduced by 10 million old Ghana cedi per bag.
Okay, let me hear.
Chira wa adwen ma me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media.